Hello students, today's topic DUIS, differentiation. DUIS means differentiation under integral sign. Differentiation under integral sign. So for this topic we require some basic partial derivatives, basic integrals. So we will list out that and then we will solve one problem. So first one, what is dabba by dabba a of e raised to minus ax? So you have to calculate derivative of this term with respect to a. So what is the derivative of exponential? Keep that exponential as it is into derivative of power. So that power is minus ax. So with respect to a, derivative of that a is 1 into x. That means its answer is e raised to minus ax into minus x. Second formula we required derivative of x raised to a. Now differentiation with respect to a, and that a in power of x, that means here x is constant, so constant raised to variable, its differentiation is x raised to a into log x. We are done in 11th standard, 12th standard. Derivative of 3 raised to t into log 3. Same way you can write down here. So this is second formula. Then second one, we required some basic integrals. What is the integral of 1 dx? Integral of 1 dx is x. What is the integral of e raised to kx dx? E raised to kx upon k. Third one, integral of x raised to n. Integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So we require these three integrals. Then third one, also you can write down integral with respect to a. Instead of x, integral with respect to a. So 1 upon a dA. What is the integral of this? Derivative of a is 1. So its integral is log a. What is the integral of 1 upon a plus 1 dA? So which is again log of a plus 1. Because of derivative of a is 1, derivative of 1 is 0. So we can use f dash upon f formula. Third one, integral of 1 upon a square plus 1 a upon a square plus 1 dA. Now derivative of a square is 2a. Now here 2 missing. So you can multiply and divide by 2. Then we get 1 by 2 log of a square plus 1. So we require this third. So these two partial differentiation with respect to a, these three integrals with respect to x, these three integrals with respect to a. So we require these formulas frequently in numericals. Then fourth part is function plus constant. Its derivative is derivative of function plus 0. Second one, function minus constant. Its derivative is also derivative of function minus 0. But function into k is constant, then its derivative is that constant remains as it is, derivative of function constant remains as it is. One more thing, suppose function upon constant, then its derivative is derivative of function, that constant in division remains as it is. So we require these 4 points in problem solving of DUIS. Problem number 1, prove that integral from 0 to 1 x raised to a minus 1 upon log x dx equals to log of a plus 1. Log of a plus 1. First, take that integral as I, then differentiate with respect to a by using DUIS. So di by dA, DUIS means that derivative becomes partial derivative. If you write down that derivative inside the integral, then d by dA becomes dabba by dabba a. This is DUIS rule. So x raised to a minus 1 log x dx. Now you have to differentiate with respect to a. So which one is the term of a? This x raised to a is term of a. What is the relation of this term with respect to term of a? Subtraction. Therefore this term becomes 0. This term, what is the relation between this term and this term? Division. So this term remains as it is. What is the derivative of x raised to a? Derivative of x raised to a is x raised to a into log x. X raised to a into log x. Derivative of this one is 0 because of function minus constant, then derivative of constant is 0. That constant log x remains as it is. Now this log x and log x get cancelled. So 0 to 1 x raised to a dx. X raised to a dx. Now integrate with respect to x. What is the integral of x raised to a? X raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1. X raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1 from x equals to 0 to 1. So put x equals to upper limit 1 raised to a plus 1 minus 0 raised to a plus 1 upon a plus 1. 1 raised to anything is 1, 0 raised to anything is 0. So 1 upon a plus 1, this is di by dA. Now you can shift dA to that side, integrate, then we get final answer. So di equals to 1 upon a plus 1 dA. Integrate both sides. So integration of 1 di equals to integration of 1 upon a plus 1 dA plus integration constant c. Integration of 1 di is I. Integration of this term 1 upon a plus 1 is log of a plus 1. Log of a plus 1 plus c. Now c is arbitrary constant. So just observe that given integral. If we put a equals to 0, then x raised to 0 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So this answer is 0. Or you can directly just write down one sentence. Choose particular value of c. Choose particular value of c. So here you have to choose c equals to 0, then we get our required answer, log of a plus 1. This is the required answer.